how to make sure he regrets losing you. Breakups hurt, but they don't define you. Right now, it might feel like the end, but this is your opportunity to rise stronger. The best revenge isn't begging or winning him back. It's becoming the version of yourself that's too incredible to ignore. Let's begin this journey of transformation. Before anything else, focus entirely on you. Take time to heal, reflect, and reassess your needs. Start doing things you always loved but neglected. Whether it's a new hobby, reconnecting with friends, or creating fitness goals, nurturing self-love radiates confidence, which he will surely notice from afar. Ask yourself, what makes you happy and fulfilled? Embrace those things wholeheartedly. Fill your days with activities that remind you of your worth. Becoming someone who exudes independence and joy doesn't just prove your resilience, it shifts the narrative, making him realize what he's lost. One of the most powerful ways to leave an impression is through silence. No desperate texts or attempts to make him jealous. Instead, withdraw gracefully and focus on living well. Your absence will amplify the value of your presence that he once took for granted. Understand that sometimes people leave because they aren't meant to stay, but this doesn't mean you failed. Keep choosing growth over bitterness. When you thrive, it forces him to confront the truth. He lost someone remarkable, and meanwhile, you'll be creating a brighter, happier path ahead. You are stronger than you think, and the most beautiful chapters of your story are still unwritten. If you're ready to reclaim your confidence and transform heartbreak into happiness, take your first step today. Remember, the greatest success is loving yourself more than you ever thought possible. Don't just make him regret losing you. Make yourself proud of who you've become.